and how to get them to communicate with each other. And before we hop in today, I just want to quickly say thank you to Jason Caswell. I was talking to him and he was really nice to me. He motivated me to do some more videos, and yeah, he was just really nice. He said that my last video was good and he's looking forward to seeing more, and he was just nice. So thank you to Jason Caswell if you're watching, and we're gonna hop in now. So we're gonna start off by creating a new project. So go up to File, click New Project. Now I'm gonna keep the default name because I don't really mind what it is. So just click OK. Now that will start up. Don't worry about that window that popped up, that won't show up for you. Alright, so now we got our first form, but we're gonna need a second one. So we're gonna go up here to Project and click Add Windows Form. I'm gonna keep the default name because I don't really mind what it is, and then just click OK. Now we're gonna go to the first form, and I'm gonna add a label. So go to the sidebar and type in label. If you guys do not know how to use that yet, go back to my first tutorial and you'll see that. Now we're gonna go down to the label properties, and we're gonna change the text to just 1, and we're gonna change the font size to a really large size. So I'm gonna rename the button text to show, or show 2. So you can just click that and go down to here and then highlight the text and just type in show 2. Okay, there we go. Now we're also gonna we're gonna go to the second form again and add another label, and we're gonna rename the label to, we're actually just gonna remove the text altogether. So once you erase it, you may think it disappeared, but it's still there, don't worry, you can still see it. Oops, I did not mean to do that. You can still see it right there, so don't worry, it's still there. Now we're gonna go to the first form and add a text box. Alright, there we go. And we're gonna double click on the first button, so show 2, and then we're gonna type in form2.show and just put in your brackets. Alright, so that's the code to get it to show. Pretty easy so far, right? Now we're gonna go to the first form again. We're gonna double click on the second button, and we're gonna type in form2.label2. And that's pretty much it. So now we can start our application and try it. So go up to the start button, just click it. As you will see, it showed up right here. Now we can click the show 2 button, and our second application, or second form, sorry, will show up, and we can just type in whatever we want in this box. So I'm going to type in thanks for watching, then just click set text, and as you can see, it set the text. Now you can move the label so it shows up like kind of more even, just, you know, you can move that how you would like and make this look as nice or as bad as you really want. I know mine looks pretty bad, but I'm just doing a quick tutorial, so yeah. Now you can type in any text you want. I could just quickly put in my name and that will go there, and you can close the form and show it again and just keep sending the text all you want. Now, I know this may seem not very useful, but it can be really useful in some, in some spots it could be really useful. So, that's pretty much it. You guys know how to, oops, I did not mean to do that. You guys know how to, please leave a like, and leave a comment if you have any problems or anything.